Piping and instrumentation diagrams, or P&IDs, are essential for visualizing industrial processes. In this video, we'll break down how to read them and how to build your own in Lucidchart. Let's start with the basics to understand exactly what these diagrams represent in a technical environment. What is a P&ID, piping and instrumentation diagram? It's a detailed schematic showing the interconnection of process equipment and the instrumentation used to control the process, serving as a system blueprint. What is the difference between a P&ID versus PFD, process flow diagram? While PFDs offer a high-level overview, P&IDs provide granular technical details like piping specifications and control schemes. To read these diagrams accurately, you need to understand the visual language of symbols and lines that represent physical components. Common P&ID symbols include functional instruments, various valve types like gate or check valves, and primary equipment such as pumps and tanks, all using standardized industry shapes. P&ID line types distinguish between physical pipes and logical signals. Solid lines typically show major process piping, while dashed or slashed lines represent electrical or pneumatic signals. How to read P&ID tagging and numbering conventions. Look for the letter-number combo. Letters identify the function, like T for temperature, while the numbers identify the specific control loop. Now that you can read them, let's look at the best way to build a professional P&ID that meets industry standards. P&ID industry standards and best practices require following ISA S 5.1 guidelines. You should maintain consistent spacing, use standard shape libraries, and minimize crossing lines to ensure maximum clarity. Step-by-step tutorial: how to draw a P&ID. First, open a P&ID template in Lucidchart. Drag your major equipment onto the canvas, then connect them using the correct pipeline types. Next, add instrumentation bubbles to your lines and equipment. Use the text tool to add your specific tagging and numbering, ensuring every component is clearly identified for your team. With these basics and Lucid's intelligent diagramming features, you're ready to create clear, professional P&IDs that keep your projects on track. Start visualizing your industrial processes today. Sign up for a free account at lucid.co and explore our P&ID templates and shape libraries.